Welcome to reneenergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Choosing the right technology for hydrogen production is crucial for the success and efficiency of your green hydrogen project. With the growing interest in hydrogen as a clean energy carrier, it is essential to understand the various production methods available and their implications for your specific project. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the complex landscape of hydrogen production technologies and make an informed decision based on key factors such as resource availability, efficiency, cost, environmental impact, and scalability. 1. Understand the different hydrogen production technologies. The first step in selecting the right technology for your project is to gain a thorough understanding of the various methods for producing hydrogen. Each technology has its own advantages, challenges, and suitability for different contexts. A. Electrolysis. Electrolysis is a process that uses electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. If the electricity used in this process comes from renewable sources like solar, wind, or hydropower, the resulting hydrogen is considered green. There are three main types of electrolysis technologies. Alkaline electrolysis. This is a well-established and widely used technology. It offers lower capital costs compared to other electrolysis methods but has lower efficiency. Alkaline electrolyzers are suitable for large-scale, centralized hydrogen production. Proton exchange membrane PEM electrolysis. PEM electrolyzers offer higher efficiency and are better suited for variable renewable energy sources due to their ability to respond quickly to changes in power input. However, they have higher capital costs compared to alkaline electrolyzers. PEM is ideal for distributed and small-scale hydrogen production. Solid oxide electrolysis, SOE. SOE operates at high temperatures and can achieve high efficiency. It has the potential to use waste heat from other processes, increasing overall system efficiency. However, SOE is still in the development stage and faces challenges related to material durability and cost. B. Steam methane reforming, SMR, with carbon capture. SMR is currently the most common method for producing hydrogen at a large scale. It involves reacting natural gas, primarily methane, with steam at high temperatures to produce hydrogen and carbon dioxide. When combined with carbon capture and storage, CCS, technologies, the CO2 emissions can be significantly reduced, resulting in what is referred to as blue hydrogen. While not as clean as green hydrogen, blue hydrogen can serve as a transitional solution until green hydrogen becomes more cost competitive. C. Biomass gasification. Biomass gasification converts organic materials, such as agricultural waste, forestry residues, or energy crops, into a mixture of gases called syngas, which contains hydrogen. The carbon neutrality of this method depends on the sustainability of the biomass feedstock and the overall process. Biomass gasification can be a suitable option for regions with abundant biomass resources. D. Thermochemical water splitting. Thermochemical water splitting uses high-temperature heat from sources like nuclear reactors or concentrated solar power to drive a series of chemical reactions that ultimately split water into hydrogen and oxygen. This technology is still in the research and development phase but holds promise for efficient, large-scale hydrogen production. 1. Evaluate the availability of resources. The availability and accessibility of key resources is a critical factor in determining the feasibility and cost-effectiveness of different hydrogen production technologies. A. Renewable energy for green hydrogen production via electrolysis. Assess the availability, reliability, and cost of renewable energy sources in your project location. Consider factors such as solar irradiation, wind speeds, or proximity to hydropower facilities. Ensure that the renewable energy supply can meet the demand of your hydrogen production process consistently. B. Water supply. Water is a crucial input for electrolysis. Evaluate the availability, quality, and sustainability of the water supply in your project area. Consider the potential impact of water consumption on local ecosystems and communities, and explore opportunities for water recycling or desalination if necessary. C. Feedstock. For technologies like SMR or biomass gasification, the availability and cost of feedstock materials are essential considerations. Assess the long-term supply and price stability of natural gas or biomass resources in your region. Consider the environmental and social implications of feedstock sourcing, such as the impact of natural gas extraction or the sustainability of biomass cultivation. 1. Consider efficiency and cost. The efficiency and cost of hydrogen production technologies are key drivers of project viability and competitiveness. A. Efficiency. Compare the energy efficiency of different technologies, which is the ratio of hydrogen output to energy input. Higher efficiency generally translates to lower operational costs and reduced environmental impact. Consider both the nominal efficiency under optimal conditions and the real-world efficiency under varying operating conditions. B. Capital costs. Evaluate the initial capital investment required for each technology, including equipment, installation, and infrastructure costs. Consider the economies of scale and the potential for cost reductions as technologies mature and market demand grows. C. Operational costs. Assess the ongoing operational and maintenance costs associated with each technology. This includes expenses related to energy consumption, feedstock procurement, water treatment, labor, and equipment maintenance. Consider the impact of fluctuating energy and feedstock prices on long-term operational costs. 1. Assess environmental impact. The environmental performance of hydrogen production technologies is a critical consideration, especially in the context of decarbonization goals and sustainability commitments. A. Emissions. Evaluate the carbon footprint and other greenhouse gas emissions associated with each technology. Consider both direct emissions from the production process and indirect emissions from upstream and downstream activities, such as feedstock extraction or transportation. B. Sustainability. Assess the overall environmental sustainability of each technology, including resource consumption, land use, water footprint, and potential impacts on biodiversity and ecosystems. Consider the life cycle environmental impact of the technology, from raw material extraction to end-of-life disposal. 1. Review technological maturity and scalability. The maturity and scalability of hydrogen production technologies are important factors in determining their suitability for your project. A. Maturity. Choose technologies with proven track records and commercial availability. Assess the level of technological readiness and the existence of successful reference projects at a similar scale. Consider the availability of skilled personnel and supply chains to support the selected technology. B. Scalability. Ensure that the chosen technology can be scaled up to meet your project's future growth requirements. Consider the modular nature of the technology and its ability to adapt to increasing hydrogen demand. Assess the potential for cost reductions and efficiency improvements as the technology scales up. 1. Regulatory and policy environment. The regulatory and policy landscape can significantly influence the viability and attractiveness of different hydrogen production technologies. A. Incentives and subsidies. Investigate government incentives, subsidies, and support programs available for specific hydrogen production technologies. Consider how these incentives align with your project's goals and timeline. Assess the stability and long-term availability of these support mechanisms. B. Compliance. Ensure that the chosen technology complies with local, national, and international regulations and standards related to safety, environmental protection, and quality control. Consider the potential impact of future regulatory changes on the technology's viability and cost competitiveness. 1. Future proofing and flexibility. In a rapidly evolving hydrogen landscape, it is crucial to consider the long-term adaptability and flexibility of hydrogen production technologies. A. Innovation. Choose technologies that are adaptable to future advancements and innovations in the field. Consider the potential for efficiency improvements, cost reductions, and integration with emerging technologies like fuel cells or hydrogen storage solutions. B. Flexibility. Opt for technologies that can integrate with other renewable energy sources and support future expansions or modifications. Consider the ability to adapt to changes in energy mix, hydrogen demand, or regulatory requirements over the project's lifetime. 1. Case studies and benchmarking. Learning from the experiences of similar projects and benchmarking against industry standards can provide valuable insights into the performance and suitability of different hydrogen production technologies. A. Industry examples. Review case studies of successful hydrogen projects that have employed different production technologies. Analyze their operational data, challenges faced, and lessons learned. Engage with industry peers and experts to gather insights and recommendations. B. Benchmarking. Compare the performance and costs of your shortlisted technologies against industry benchmarks and best practices. Utilize data from reputable sources, such as the International Energy Agency, IEA, or the Hydrogen Council, to assess the competitiveness of your options. 1. Technical support and expertise. The availability of technical support and expertise is essential for the successful implementation and operation of hydrogen production technologies. A. Vendor support. Evaluate the level of technical support and expertise offered by technology providers. Consider factors such as the availability of local support teams, response times, and the quality of documentation and training materials. B. Training and skills. Ensure that your organization has or can develop the necessary skills and knowledge to operate and maintain the chosen technology. Consider the availability of training programs, knowledge transfer opportunities, and the potential to build in-house expertise over time. Conclusion. Choosing the right technology for hydrogen production is a complex decision that requires a comprehensive analysis of various factors. By carefully evaluating resource availability, efficiency, cost, environmental impact, scalability, regulatory environment, and technological maturity, you can select the most suitable technology for your green hydrogen project. It is essential to take a holistic approach and consider the long-term implications of your technology choice. Engage with industry experts, technology providers, and relevant stakeholders to gather diverse perspectives and insights. Conduct thorough feasibility studies and techno-economic analyses to validate your assumptions and projections. Remember that the hydrogen landscape is continuously evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging regularly. Stay informed about the latest developments and be prepared to adapt your strategy as the market and regulatory environment change. By following this comprehensive guide and leveraging the additional resources provided, you will be well equipped to make an informed decision on the right hydrogen production technology for your project. With the right technology choice, coupled with sound project management and stakeholder engagement, you can contribute to the global transition towards a clean, sustainable, and hydrogen-powered future. Are you ready to take your green hydrogen project to the next level? Enroll in the Green Hydrogen Project Development and Financing course offered by reneenergy.com. This comprehensive and well-structured educational program covers the essential aspects of developing and financing green hydrogen projects. The course is divided into 10 modules, each focusing on a specific aspect of green hydrogen project development and financing. You will gain practical knowledge and hands-on experience through the use of tools and templates, case studies, and real-world examples. The course also provides access to reneenergy.com's network of international consultants and experts, allowing you to seek specific solutions and support for your green hydrogen projects. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your skills and knowledge in the rapidly growing green hydrogen industry. Click the link in description below to learn more about the course and secure your spot. Invest in your future and become a driving force in the global transition towards a sustainable, hydrogen-powered economy. Thanks for tuning into the reneenergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.